Past the high-rise skyline I'm leaving behind. The car's gassed up, the boat's packed full, cause I gotta get out before I blow my cool. It's been almost a year since I last got away, and I'm headed for heaven today. I'm going up north, where the living is grand up north.
Well, it's about 8 o'clock on Thursday, I believe June 9th. Tammy and I and the two dogs are heading up north to the camper to do some fishing, pulling the boat up. Gas prices are atrocious, but we're needing a weekend away anyways, so we're heading up. What are you looking forward to? Fishing. Alright, there's one yellow one sleeping here and a black puppy is in a kennel in the back. Just passing through Madison. Two prong. Well, we're out here fishing some wood, about 5 feet of water, getting gills. There's a 9-incher. I'm gonna let it go because it's too big to eat. Well, it's Friday, about 11 o'clock in the morning. We got up and did some chores, got the water flushed out on the camper. Everything's good, so we're heading to the lake. Well, we're out here fishing some wood, about 5 feet of water, getting gills. There's a 9-incher. I'm gonna let it go because it's too big to eat. Oh, it's a video. So what do you have to say? Did you enjoy your day on the boat?
Like, why is it not working?
Did you enjoy your day on the boat?
Yes.
So we caught some bluegills, a couple walleye, but they were small. We're at the old Ripsaw. Well, it's Saturday afternoon, about 5:30. Didn't make any videos today. We came up to the Pike Round Lake chain. First few hours we chased smallies and caught a few. It was pretty slow. Now we're gonna run up and see if we can find any crappies for dinner. Beautiful. Rained quite a bit this morning, but now it's picture perfect. Well, that's going to be a wrap from the Pike Lake chain. It's about 9 o'clock on Saturday. Tammy caught her personal best crappie ever. Beautiful. Beautiful night. Got one walleye and a bunch of smallmouth and those panfish. So, it's been a good day.